Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital currencies. You've probably heard all the buzz about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even some funky names like Dogecoin. But what exactly are digital currencies, and how can you get started with them? Whether you're a complete crypto-curious newbie, or you're looking to expand your financial knowledge, this video is your roadmap to navigating the world of digital currencies. Digital currencies, also known as cryptocurrencies, are virtual forms of money that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, they're not printed by central banks. Instead, they rely on a decentralized system called blockchain, which we'll get to in a minute. Think of digital currencies like digital gold. They have a limited supply, and transactions are recorded securely on a digital ledger accessible to everyone. This transparency and security are some of the key features attracting people to the crypto world. Alright, so you're interested in dipping your toes into the crypto pool. Here's a basic roadmap. Step 1. Educate yourself. There's a lot to learn about digital currencies, so do your research. We'll provide some resources in the video description below. Step 2. Choose a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is a platform where you can buy and sell digital currencies. Make sure you choose a reputable and secure exchange. Step 3. Set up a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your digital currencies securely. There are different types of wallets, so research what suits your needs. Step 4. Invest cautiously. The digital currency market is volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Before you jump in, it's crucial to understand the risks involved with digital currencies. Volatility. The value of digital currencies can fluctuate significantly, so be prepared for ups and downs. Regulation. The regulatory landscape for digital currencies is still evolving, which can create uncertainty. Security risks. Digital currency exchanges and wallets can be targets for hackers, so choose secure platforms and practices. The world of digital currencies is exciting and full of potential. However, it's important to approach it with knowledge and caution. By educating yourself, managing your risk, and starting small, you can embark on your digital currency journey with confidence.